Corded versus cordless power tools, which should you buy? When you're just starting out with power tools, one of the biggest questions is this: should you go with corded or cordless? Both have their strengths, and the right choice depends on your projects. Let's break it down. Corded tools, power and consistency. Corded tools have been the standard for decades. They give you unlimited runtime and steady power since they run directly off electricity. This makes them perfect for heavy-duty work like cutting thick lumber, grinding, or extended use on job sites. The downside? You're tied to an outlet, which means extension cords, less mobility, and sometimes a little hassle. Cordless tools, convenience and portability. Cordless tools are all about freedom. With modern lithium-ion batteries, they've become powerful enough for most home and DIY projects. You can take them anywhere, up ladders, outdoors, or into tight spaces with no cords in the way. But the trade-off is battery life. Long, heavy jobs may require multiple batteries, and replacements can be pricey. Which one is right for you? If you're a homeowner or DIYer, cordless tools are usually the best starting point. They're versatile, easy to use, and handle most everyday tasks. If you plan on tackling big projects, like remodeling, woodworking, or metalwork, a few reliable corded tools are still worth owning for their raw power and unlimited runtime. Final tip. The truth is, most toolboxes benefit from having both. Use cordless for convenience and everyday jobs, and keep corded tools around for the heavy lifting. That way, you'll always have the right tool for the job. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on power tools, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.